Welcome you all to the video lecture on Python programming. Today we are going to discuss about the MCQ question using your for loop, as well as we are using the if statement. And then the one more term here, it is break. So break is nothing but it will break the current loop. So that is the meaning. So first let me proceed with the first statement. Given is the for loop. And one more thing, generally we will have for x in some variable here, but here it is again one more function, range is given. Okay, so what is range? Range is a function which generates the sequence in the range of minimum value and then minimum value plus 1 up to maximum value minus 1. That is, x is going to take the value, what is the minimum value? 1. So it will start with 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5. So last value is maximum value minus 1. So it will take only up to maximum value minus 1. So it will start with 1 and proceed with the next iteration of values of x, that is 2, 3, 4, and it will stop with 5. So first what happens, x will take the value 1 and then you have if statement 1 equal to 3. Definitely not. So this condition is not satisfied. So next statement will not be executed. So it will come to the another statement. Okay, it will come out of the if statement. So what happens here? It is print x. So what is the value of x? It is 1. So 1 will be printed. And then during the second iteration, x will take the value 2. Again 2 equal to 3? No. So it will not execute the break statement. It will come to the print statement. It will print to 2. Then third iteration, x equal to 3. So now x equal to 3. So it will execute the next statement, that is break. So what do you mean by break means? Break means it will come out of the current loop. So it will not execute with the other values, that is 4, 5, it will not execute the for loop. It will come out of the for loop. So previously what values and all it has been printed? 1 as well as 2. So which option is correct? So numbers 1 and 2 would be printed. Number 3 would be printed. Numbers 1, 2, 3 would be printed. So it is option A, because x value will take 1 and 2 and then it will print it. For x equal to 3, it will come out of the loop itself, for loop itself. So nothing will be printed. It will stop your execution. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.